Christianity ajoka. Oka ajoka, a very, 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 very bad thing. It delays your consequences until heaven. So fuck around as much as you wish. If you even so if fuck kata around, you even forget that there is something that no one if you question and worry about. Ichefuzia email bezia. Ebe no do na mmụọ email mmụọ egbu ogi. Ima na mmụọ na egbu egbu. Just recently we did Christianity delays consequences until heaven. No joker. It's a fraud. Just recently we did the funeral of a colleague, of a relative, of an uncle who died since the war. He was not a soldier, but not a strong man. Strong, gentle giant. He disarmed a soldier who was bullying a lady from Abatete that was selling rice, and he got a bullet in the back for his troubles. Asigina, you would think same man mount until he saw. Now Christians since 55 years, when Baba don't die, Christians with their bury the dead mantra, never reason bury this oga. Because in no block their road to heaven now. They go still go heaven whether they bury him or not. Obuna hamana ni nilonwoke. Na alusi ike ngia ya na akpa ike na akwanye belolu mmụọ ya ugwu. Na ekwensu ya na agali ya na ekwuli okwu. Obuna fa ghọtara ya. They for don't bury that guy, but they don't understand them. Na me now, them turn to elder. Who is preventing preventing the goats from betting tethered any further. Christianity has to go, guy. Christianity and Allah. I curse Christianity, guy. I curse Christianity in your minds. I curse Christianity in your hearts. I curse Christianity in our lands. I curse Christianity. The generator room of the neo-colonial terrorist has to go, has to leave. Mobuna ifaya otaba. Mobuna bido otaba anything. Mobuna chotaba our way back. The generator room of this bullshit has to go. The generator room of the neo-colonialist has to go if we are to make headway to being one with our spirits again. Now, if you're mourning, if you need to process your pain, I made a song, Egwoya. You can use it to process the pain of a dear female to you. And my condolences, right? Yeah. But I made a sad song that I used to process my own pain. And now I'm past that phase. I have healed. And now I think it can help you heal. So check out my song. And I curse Christianity. Onye fu ajife ya kwuo afu ekwula ogbu oken ekwu anu lo ogbu nwata. So come prove yourself, say you nwata for my comment section. Nwalo mmụọ ofeke ma mgbe eke nkụ ụkwa ọkaze mmụọ nwaanyị mo